Hello again, welcome to Stuff and Random. Today's edition on Learn Blender with Baby Steps, we'll be making a low poly fish. Let's get going. So let's go ahead, delete that cube, Shift A to add in a plane, and move to front view. Let's rotate on 90 on the x-axis just by hitting 90. Let's add in a reference image. You can always refer to my previous video on adding reference images. Well, I'm still going to go over it. Add in your image texture. So my reference image here is fish. Open image. Get back to modeling now. Good. So let's add in another plane. Rotate on the X 90. Scale it down. And let's push this back a little. Nice. And we can tap into edit mode. Select one vertex out and delete the rest. Now select that vertex, and it's going to be a matter of extruding around the whole fish. And let's pick a spot here. So it's just a matter of extruding around the fish. So basically, just like how I used to draw in preschool, and in the end, you don't have to overlap these two vertices. You just have to select both of them and press F to fill. You see there's an edge filling them. Good. Now select all vertices and press F to fill. Oh, it's messed up. No, no, no. It's kind of messed up. So we scale it out because it's messed up. And I cut the culprit. That's over there. And grab and reposition. And I don't know where these guys came from, but we can delete them. And we can always imagine and put a shape right there. Select those and fill, and we can another. Let's reposition that. I think I messed up the extruding. So you have to be very careful, because sometimes you press extrude twice and this happens. So I'm trying to imagine and create my own fin this is low poly, so you don't have to worry. Hmm? Scale this in a little bit. And press F to fill the surface. Nice. So we can hide this for now. Press H. Let's add in a plane to get the light in, because we can't really see well. We need something to reflect off the surface to scale it so you see more of that. Now what we do is we going to extrude the whole surface here. So select everything. To be better to select the face and extrude. And we are getting a nice fish. Now we need to give the fish a bit more curvature. So what we do is we add in a loop cut, Ctrl R, and let's position that well. We need a loop cut all around that. Yes, and make sure you position it in the middle. Now what we do is we scale that loop cut out, and that gives the fish more curvature. So let's give him a bit more shape. And since we can't add in a loop cut around here, we're going to use our knife tool. Press K. Make a nice shape over there. And let's do same here. Knife tool all the way there. So we select this edge that we made. Select that. Undo. Shift select this, and what we do is we scale on the Y, and make sure scale on the Y. Make sure you have proportional editing on, else if we didn't have that on, scaling on the Y, we're going to have this, and that'll be bad. So proportional editing, scale on the Y, and it looks more fishy, literally. And we have a nice low poly fish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me see your comments on this. Till we meet again.